Maine Medical Center is the leading academic medical center within the state. It's also a community hospital too.
We are a 650-bed hospital, and we see every different type of patient, and I think that really gives the resident a really, really great experience.
Pharmacy learners just slide right into that educational opportunity. We're expected to be on rounds. We've already paved the way for learners to come in here, and we have a really strong pharmacy presence amongst our hospital.
People really do feel like part of a big family.
We have a very patient-centered, focused type of care, and we are involving family as well in decision-making. I think we're really treating the patient as a whole person.
Our goals of the program are really to help provide all of our residents a top-notch learning experience, really to help make sure that we meet their needs and their expectations for the program.
Our preceptors are really dedicated to our program. We have preceptors in all of the various areas as role models. That makes it unique in that the resident is already slotted into a working sort of environment where there's an expectation in place of the pharmacist in those specialty areas.
We have several board-certified ID pharmacists. We also have, in the elective world, board-certified pharmacists in their respective areas such as oncology and transplant and emergency medicine. It speaks volumes of the passion of teaching and education by our preceptors.
What makes our program unique is that we have a diversity in our preceptors. We bring a broad perspective of views on our practice. Also, we have a very well-established research program here, so our residents publish almost every single year.
The PGY2 ambulatory care year is fully customizable to the resident's needs and the resident's interests. We typically sit down with the resident and piece together certain rotation experiences or longitudinal experiences that really check all those boxes.
I just wanted a feel of a lot of different types of pharmacy to see what I liked.
We want residents to leave with a strong knowledge base on how to tackle infectious diseases, clinical syndromes. Their training should be able to allow them to adapt to any environment.
We constantly are making sure that as a health system, our documents and our protocols are as evidence-based as possible, and have been an integral part of that as well.
The Maine Medical Center Preble Street Learning Collaborative, it's an opportunity for all of our residents to work with and give back to those patients that are experiencing homelessness.
The camaraderie between trainees, such as residents and faculty, is exceptional.
They invest a lot in the residents, and they really care about our success and make sure that we represent the program well.
So everybody learns different, so I always ask you how you like to learn, and then we kind of customize our experience towards the resident.
It's always amazing to have a great residency class, and that also holds true this year. So we'll kind of help each other out always.
To survive a residency, you're going to need other people to lean on and a support group, and sharing an office really allows for the development of relationships.
It's important to employees at Maine Medical Center to have a life outside of work, and we have a beautiful environment to do that in.
There really is such a unique work-life balance.
There's just so much to do in and around the area in terms of concerts and the ocean and the ski resorts.
I quickly learned how to ski.
So if you're an outdoor person, Portland's amazing. If you're an indoor person, it's also great. The food scene is amazing. The beer scene is phenomenal.
You're going to love living here because there's no traffic.
I fell in love with Portland when I came here. It's been a real treat to live here.
When you join our team, you're joining our family. You're not just a team member, but you're a family member.
We will support you through it and help you achieve whatever your goals are.
It definitely has lived up to my expectations. I got to see what I like to do, and now I have a much more clear direction of what I would like to do in the future.
We're all a really passionate bunch, so we're looking for residents that really have a true passion for ambulatory care pharmacy.
We have over 80 residents that have graduated as part of our program. They're getting fantastic jobs after graduation.
If a resident comes in motivated to learn, we will give you guys 200%.
I want them to know how much pharmacy is appreciated at Maine Medical Center. This is a really great environment for them to walk into and make an impact on patient care.